Hello and welcome to this video on how to access the Bibliothèque Numérique French language collection for ebooks and audiobooks. So to get started, on the homepage of the Port Moody Public Library website, we can go to the Borrow heading at the top of the screen and select the Books and eBooks option to take us to the page with all of our digital book and audiobook collections on it, and scroll down the page till we get to this box here for the Bibliothèque Numérique option. And when we click on this button here, it will take us to a new tab for the homepage of the collection. And you'll see on this page here we just have the recent releases as well as some created book lists for adults and kids, as well as the top most borrowed titles.